आज 4th जुलाई को we are starting our journey, me, my wife and my sister-in-law, my brother's wife. And today I measured, my weight was 55.4. I'm considering it 55.5. And this is my profile. I'm wearing clothes although, but see, front. Okay, so weight is measured. Woke up around 6:30, and now it's 7. I did some light stretching like this. I've already done this stretching. A little bit jumping. I'm feeling a little bit pain here in ankle, but let's see. Now we'll go for jogging. And from today we'll be starting calorie deficit diet plan. I will prepare today. From tomorrow we'll be following it. I ordered a food measuring machine, and hopefully it goes well. Planning for 2.5 to 3 months journey, and we'll try to capture all the moments every day. What challenges we face with ourselves, obviously, and how we overcome it, and what we achieved in the next 2.5 months. So let's see. Now we will be going for jogging. We have done stretching, and see you when we'll be creating plan. I'll capture again. ये मेरे पापा एग्रीकल्चर महाविद्यालय में काम करते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे क्वार्टर में रहते हैं उनके साथ. तो ये पूरा फार्म है. तो ये 2-2.5 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का फार्म है. आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा चारों ओर से. ये पूरा फार्म है. तो हम यहाँ पे इस साइड भी पूरा फैला हुआ है आगे, और इधर भी इक्विपमेंट वगैरह रखे हुए हैं, थ्रेशर वगैरह धान निकालने के लिए. तो ये रोड हमारे क्वार्टर के चारों ओर अराउंड 450 मीटर्स का ये ट्रैक और रोड यू कैन से. यहाँ से आते हैं, इधर वापस रोड, और इधर यहाँ पे हमारा क्वार्टर. तो 450 में से 250 मीटर जैसे ही थोड़ा जॉगिंग किया, यहाँ पे साइड में थोड़ा सा पेन होने लग गया. तो अभी बॉडी रजिस्ट करेगी, स्टार्ट किया है, देखते हैं 8-10 दिन में सही हो जाएगा. बट यू डोंट हैव टू पुश योर सेल्फ. दुख रहा है तो यू स्टॉप जॉगिंग और रनिंग, स्पीड वॉकिंग चालू कर दो. 5-10 मिनट वापस स्पीड वॉकिंग करो, रुको मत, एंड थोड़ी देर वापस पेन कम होएगा तो वापस 5 मिनट दौड़ लो. इट्स फॉर स्टार्टिंग. धीरे धीरे सब पेन चला जाएगा, योर बॉडी मसल्स ऑल बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर, एंड फिर सब सही रहेगा. तो लेट्स सी. तो ये नॉर्मल जॉगिंग I can show you like this. I do. This is normal jogging speed. Normal jogging speed, okay? And speed walking is this one. You have to push. It is double than normal speed, normal walking. So if you feel you're breathless, सांस नहीं आ रही, सांस फूल गई थोड़ा सा दौड़ने से, स्पीड वॉकिंग स्टार्ट करो. वापस नॉर्मल हो जाए सांस, दौड़ना चालू करो. कहीं पेन हो रहा है, स्पीड वॉकिंग करो, दौड़ना रुको, स्पीड वॉकिंग करो, फिर वापस नॉर्मल, फिर वापस दौड़ लो थोड़ी देर. तो जितना शरीर मान सकता है, क्योंकि दीज आर स्टार्टिंग डेज, ओके. 10 दिन में 15 दिन में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ जाएगा. तो ये मैं और मेरे भैया अभी जॉगिंग के लिए साथ में जाते हैं मॉर्निंग में. देन ही हैज़ टू गो टू बैंक. वो लास्ट क्वार्टर है हमारा. तो ये इसी काइंड ऑफ रोड है पूरा. इसके चारों ओर 450 मीटर का एक राउंड है. आज हमने 2 राउंड किया, हाफ जॉगिंग किया है, हाफ स्पीड वॉकिंग किया है. तो इट्स इवनिंग टाइम. सेम 450 मीटर राउंड टू द क्वार्टर. आई डिड 3 राउंड. Less than half of was jogging, and rest was speed walking. And as I was watering plants, so I'm walking also. So this is the evening exercise, and I have created the diet plan, everything on the Fitter app in afternoon, and I'll be creating video of it. That's all. So this is first day official start. The weighing machine is yet to receive, yet to be dispatched even, because I ordered yesterday only. So let's see when it reaches, and then we start actual diet plan. Till then we'll follow the ingredient, but we will not have the exact measures. That is the plan. Finger crossed, man. I want to do it really. 2 months, let's see how much can we achieve. Jai Ganesha Namaha. So I have created my diet plan in Fitter. I just want to show you. So first I went to tools. Okay, I collected my BMR. I give an exercise once in a week, male, age, weight, height, my body fat percent, and I calculated. So my TEE is 2005 and basal metabolic rate is 1671 calories. So this is TEE is the automatically, if I do that much only once in a week exercise, and if this much energy would be needed to sustain, whatever weight I have, this is the one. If I follow, I'll be having on the same weight. I'll be staying on the same weight. So what I have to do is I want to lose weight, so I have to create deficit, calorie deficit. So 2005, right? So I'm doing 300 calories per day. My plan is I'll show my target also. So this is my TEE. Okay, if you want to lose weight, do deficit, and if you want to gain weight, increase your calories, then the TEE. Okay, so this is calculated. Body fat also you can go, if you don't know the fat percentage, you can go male, waist size, neck size, your height, and then calculate. It will give you your body fat percentage. So 27.25, and then if I do calculate, it's giving me 2005. Okay, now BMR is calculated. Okay, now I'll go and see goal calculator. Okay, so my current body weight is this. Target is I want to achieve 80. How many weeks? 10 weeks. My TE is 2005, and calculate. So I need to lose 605 calories per day. I need to create deficit to reach this goal of 80 kg in 10 weeks. Okay, 10 weeks is approx 2 months, or could be less than 2 months. So this much I have to do. So 600 calories, right? But I am creating my diet plan of 300 calories, and I have created my TEA. I calculated once in a week, but I am doing some jogging in morning and evening both times. So that will burn another 300 calories. So approximately I have created this one. You can create. I'm not guiding anyone. Just this is my journey. Anyone wants to follow, they can use their mind. They can use your intelligence, and they can do it. Else they can comment and take a guidance from me. So 300 I am doing with the food calorie deficit, and 300 I will be doing some exercise. So I could be achieving 600 calories per day. I will be burning. Okay, so this is goal calculator. So what I did is macro calculator. I placed macros as it was 2000, so less 2300. 3000 out of 2000 is 1700. So 1700 diet plan. I'll create diet plan for 1700 calorie. So this is my diet tool. Okay, so I have created from tomorrow. So 5th of July 2021. Okay, so now see here at the top, it is showing total calorie 70. So it's exceeding 24 calories, so that's not a problem, right? And I tried to get more proteins, equal carbs and fat bit less, okay, than required. So here you can see, when you start creating plan, you can see here how much protein is being exceeded, or how much you have reached your goal. Then here I added apple, cashews 5 gram, chana 40 gram, moong dal 60 gram, milk 150 ml. All calories are given. Okay, similarly lunch and all, in snacks time what I'll eat, and in dinner time what I eat. Okay, rice, mixed dal, tomatoes and ghee. Okay, ghee or oil. So how did I add? So you can go in any section. There is plus button here. You click plus button, you search here anything. Suppose you want to add paneer, you get raw paneer or cooked paneer. Better always keep raw paneer, because when you cook oil, you are already adding small little bit tomatoes and onions that you add for garnishing is not at all that calorie intensive, so you can just ignore those things. And raw, always you add raw things. Okay. You can get soya chunks, soya, whatever you search, you can get lots of item. Rice. Okay, rice, you lose rice, you add. Don't add cooked rice, always lose rice, you measure and then cook it. Then anything, you can, even curries you can add, but I am preferring to add raw, okay, items. Similarly, like that, you can add and add to breakfast button. If you click, it will be adding to your breakfast or uh, meal, any meal, all the 4 meals. Okay. On top of this, when you are doing calories, you can mildly, I added cucumber like that, but if you don't add, and it is ideal that you eat green leafy, 300 grams of leafy veggies raw, or you can add into these whatever you're cooking, 300 grams uh, of leafy, like cucumber, cabbage, spinach, and some whichever leafy fiber rich you can add. Those doesn't add much calories, or it doesn't even have fat, not much carbs, not much protein wise it could be, but it's not, and it's not adding anything else. And you can eat, you should eat 300 grams additionally. So addition to this, I'll be eating 300 grams of leafy veggies. So this is my diet plan. I have created 3 variant of it. So how I prepared is, I'll just add another video on it. I had a whiteboard, and on that we have prepared. So me, my wife, and my sister-in-law is thinking of starting. Hopefully it goes well. So this is my chart. Okay, I'm going to show you a whiteboard where we created. So I've created 3 variant of it. I don't want to eat same thing every day, so we have created 3 variant out of it. So see, I'm going to show you now whiteboard. So this is the whiteboard. See, we have created, we wanted to create 3 different meal plans. Okay, so that we can alternate days we can eat that. So what we did first is created 3 sections here, 1 2 3 4 sections. In 4 sections, in like breakfast, lunch, and dinner and all, what and all items we can cook, which is easily available. So we have items: poha, oats, suji, bread, like that, sprouts and all. Lunch, rice, chapata, chola chana, and all those items can be there. In the evening, dal rice and all green curries can be there. And next time, nuts and tea and coffee. So we have written first those items. Then we have created 3 sections, different plans. Then suppose first day breakfast is mung chila, chana, sprouts, and milk. Next day it's poha, cowpea salad, milk. Thursday it's a suji chila, mung salad, milk, like that. Okay. Similarly in lunch it's different. Dinner and snacks it's different. First we have created this raw, and then I started adding in my diet plan according to the how many grams we have to use, how many adjusting calories, protein, fat and carbs. So first we created this, and then we have created diet plan, and that's all. This is first day. We will do it.